Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages and your check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yun po, no? Yung ating titingnan. Opo. And again, kung may mga tanong, mag-message po, no? Sa akin pong legit FB page. Okay, malalaman kung legit, may check sa tabi po, no? Nung aking name. Yes, okay. So, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga charms, mag-message lang po, no? Okay, so yan lang. Oh my gosh. So, limited stock po ha yung mga naka-bottle na charm natin. So, let's see. Start tayo. Air sign. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay, so what is for you? Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. The Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. That's a nice card. Para sa unang card, maganda yan. The Six of Wands. Victory, success. This is good. Okay? Lahat po ng pinagdarasal nyo, makukuha nyo yan. Lalo na kung patungkol po sa paganda, sa paayos. Victory, success. Some of you, andoon yung energy ng viral. Okay, magva-viral. Andun yung energy na ikaw yung para talagang nasa spotlight. Air signs. Okay. I'm hearing a secret promotion. I don't know why secret or a surprise promotion for some of you. This is good. I'm hearing recognition. Tatanggap ka ng certificate. Plaque. Okay. What else? For air signs. I'm hearing the word iconic. I don't know why. The Six of Cups in reversed. And Death in reversed. Yari na naman ang mga ex. So, yung mga ex ninyo. Nandiyan na naman, bumabalik-balik na naman kayo sa kanilang mga isipan. See? Pagbabalik. Eight of Cups in reverse. Uy, sana ako na lang ulit. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? They're bitter. I don't know why. The Sun. Andun yung energy nung surprise, no? Oo. The Sun, this is the happiest card. The most positive energy dito sa tarot. The King of Wands in reverse. Uy, merong naiinggit sa'yo. Okay? May mananabutahe sa'yo. See, we have here the Tower. May manggugulo. May magbibigay drama, problema sa'yo. Mas maganda, wag mo na lang tong i-welcome. Or, kung sakali man, alam nyo na kayo ay parang pina-power trip. The King of Wands in reverse. Medyo may pagkamabulaklak magsalita to, sa totoo lang. Baka paasahin kayo nito eh. Yeah, Temperance. This is like waiting. Okay? Naiinggit sa'yo to, lalo na sa trabaho. Pwede sa trabaho to, may inggit sa'yo. Kung ano man yan, huwag nyo lang i-welcome, hayaan nyo na lang, gawin nyo lang kung anong trabaho nyo. Okay, huwag na lang kayo magbigay ng energy doon sa tao. Kasi, sayang lang. Okay, so next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. So, let's see what's for you. All signs. Why all signs? Yeah. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire signs. What is for our fire signs? Page of Wands in the reversed. What's that? Two of Cups. May na-delay. Oo, may na-delay or parang hindi nag-start. I'm hearing a false start. False start. Pwedeng may patungkol sa commitments, connection, relationship, whatsoever. Okay, false start. Somebody wants your attention or maybe ikaw, itong may kailangan ng attention from somebody. The Emperor. Pero nandyan din yung pagmamatigas mo, hindi mo papakita yung weakness mo. Okay? Anyway, or kailangan mong gawin yan. A delay partnership, a delay offer. Okay, anyway. Three of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. This is a Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so meron ditong energy ng collaboration or energy ng pag-uusap. Okay, like pagkakaintindihan. I'm hearing number 22. I don't know why. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa number 22. Some of you, I'm hearing a closed door meeting with your boss or with an employer. Meron ditong hindi mapagbibigyan. Yeah, meron dito somebody, something madadrop. I'm hearing somebody's rules. Hindi ko alam. What else? The Devil in reverse. Ang lakas ng Capricorn na. Okay. The Hierophant in reverse. Okay. There could be a Capricorn na pwedeng tawag dyan, tumalikod sa'yo. Okay. The Hierophant is here in reversed. Hierophant is talking about commitments, pero nakabaliktad rin. They're not like open for commitments if ever. Okay, they're like being practical, I'm hearing. They don't want any kind of toxic connection. Okay, ayaw niya ng toxic kung sino man to. Taurus, Capricorn. Yeah. Ayaw nila nung binebeg sila. Ayaw nila nung parang something like that. Ayaw nila ng needy energies. Hindi practical actually. Ayaw to ng parang nagpapabigat. Kasi meron silang mga ginagawa eh. Something like nagmo-move sila. Ayaw nila nung parang may nakakapit sa kanila. Something like that. Kasi andun yung energy ng attachments. No? Andyan si Devil. Ayaw nila ng may ganyan. Yeah, anyway. So, there. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so we're on water signs. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so let's see what's for you. What is for our water signs? Remarkable. What is for our water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Eight of Pentacles. This is being busy. Maraming gawa. Focus. Four of Cups. Meron ditong mga busy, no, na tao na parang feeling mo na i-ignore ka or nane-neglect ka. They're just too busy. They're just busy, no? Oo. Walang kung ano man. Busy lang talaga. This is like work related. Okay? Baka iniisip mo, baka may ganyan, baka may ganito, baka may iba, whatsoever. No. Wala. Talagang busy lang yung tao. What else? The Queen of Swords. The Page of Pentacles. Contract signing. Yeah. New contract. Nandyan yung energy ng, basta may mga pirmahan po. Lalo na meron ditong energy ng business. Sa business, pwedeng meron kang mga bibilihin, meron kang mga maibebenta, something like that. I'm hearing some of you makakakota ngayong buwan. I'm hearing that. Okay, so yeah, we have here the Fool. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So yeah, some of you merong mga ipo-purchase something pricey. Okay, something pricey. I'm hearing ano din, visa or may chance na makapag-migrate. I'm hearing travels for water signs. Ang daming energies ha. Good. Oh, so what else for water signs? This is nice. This is nice. Justice. Some of you might be dealing with a Libra. Okay, meron namang ipopromote dito. Actually, meron na po. Lalo na kung ikaw tong alam mo sa sarili mo, sobrang sipag mo, matagal ka na sa pinagkatrabahuhan mo, nakikita nila na pwede kang lang i-promote. Okay, so what's with this Justice? Meron ditong energy ng kasal. Yeah. And the Two of Wands in the reverse. Yeah, being open. Okay, some of you having decisions, making decisions pagdating po sa mga alam nating tamang gawin. Okay? Iba dito magpo-purchase talaga ng something big, something pricey. Yeah, decision, the Two of Swords in reverse. Okay? Somebody will step up, merong babawi. Okay? Lalo na kung ikaw itong parang hindi masyado nabigyang oras. Could be a Capricorn. Yeah. This is good. Yeah, water signs. So next is earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. La 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 la. Okay. So earth signs soon. What's that? Soon. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is for you? For our earth signs, what is coming in? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Mensahe, gabay, prediction. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe po. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Earth signs. Queen of Pentacles. Progress po, 8 of Wands. Progress pagdating sa health ng iba. That's good. Claim it. Okay? Kung ikaw itong nakakaramdam ng hindi maganda nitong mga nakaraan, mas magiging okay ka na. Eventually. Okay? So, mayroong mga tao dito, sabihin nating mga ngailangan sa'yo. Okay? Kasi kaya mo i-provide yung kanilang mga kailangan. Some of you, there's this parang energy ng kailangan mo, kung ano man. And I think makukuha mo. Hindi mahirap. Madali mong makukuha. Kung ano man yun, I don't know. Pero yeah, in general, something po na kailangan mo is madali mong makukuha. Hindi mo kailangan mag-exert ng masyadong madaming effort para makuha mo. Okay? That's good. Some of you, I'm hearing communication with a mother figure, or it could be your mother, father. Pwede magkakaroon ka ng communication or travel with them. Okay? Siyempre po, no, dapat buhay pa. Alam nga naman. Madam, yung aking nanay, tatay ay wala na. Paano kami magta-travel? Yan na naman tayo, ha? Oo, so ano pa? Hindi ko alam kung talaga bang nangyayamot lang, no? Okay. Ten of Pentacles, your favorite card. So the Ten of Pentacles, money, big money. Money, money, money. Diba? So this could be kaperahan, commitments, mga ganyang bagay. Family. The Hanged Man in reverse. Oh, this is good! Ang dami niyong magagawa, lalo na nga po, no, may pera. Oo. It's like, madaling kumilos eh. Madaling gumawa. Madaling gumalaw kapag may pera. Di po ba? Real talk. Ang hirap gumalaw pag walang pera. Di ba? Ang hirap. Paano ka pupunta sa isang lugar kung wala kang pera? Pamasahe pa nga lang eh, di ba? Paano mapupunta doon? Wala kang pamasahe. Maglakad. Ha? Hindi ko kaya maglakad from here to there. Mga ganyan, no? So, yeah. Medyo magaan po. Oo, ang pasok ng blessings, kaperahan sa your signs. Sobrang, sabihin nating, para kang may magnet. Yung iba dyan na may charms, ay, nako. This is it, pansit. Na ating nakikita. Napakaganda. Okay, kalagitnaan pa lang ng buwan, masasabi mong, okay, parang kota na ako. Medyo magre-relax na lang ako ngayon. Nandoon yung ganong energy. Four of Swords, relaxation. Okay? Some of you, I'm hearing there's that need talaga na ikaw ay kahit papano is magpahinga. No? Makakapahinga ka actually. Ng maganda-ganda. Yung mga ang daming ginawa. Nitong mga nakaraan, sobrang busy. Magkakaroon ka ng panahon na makapagpahinga kahit kaunti. Okay? Sabihin nating masasabi mong salamat na kapag pahinga rin. Parang ganon. I'm hearing vacation leave. Yeah. So, itong Four of Swords, planning. I'm hearing planning pagdating sa kung ano man yung kailangan mo or gusto mo. The Empress in reverse. Yeah. Yung iba dito, may chance po na merong mga baguhin or i-upgrade, i-enhance pagdating sa sarili. Okay? Pwedeng sa sarili or sa status, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, the Eight of Pentacles, sabihin natin, yeah, deserve mo naman kasi pwedeng ikaw rin naman yung nagpakahirap sa mga pwede mong gastusin. No? Money mo is money mo. O, di po ba? This is good, ha? Okay? Oo, iba kasi dito sobrang sobrang daming gawa. Oo. Tapos napapabayaan na ang sarili. Okay? Oo. So, hindi naman masama kung hindi mo rin naman pababayaan yung sarili mo. Alam mo na dapat may oras ka sa sarili. Okay? So, some of you, I'm hearing pregnancy. Yeah, pregnancy. Nakakita ko na meron ng lalabas na resulta, which is, sabihin nating positive. Okay? Yes, kasi iba dito nakakaramdam na ng parang pregibel sila Oo, magpapatingin sa OB. Yeah. Okay po. So, yeah, this is good. Actually, this is good. Anyway, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And isa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.